It's wonderful when words of songs from the past can resonate with us with today's language. As we center on the importance of prosperity and gratitude, I invite you to get comfortable. Relax your shoulders and any part of your body if you are aware of any tension, and become aware of your breathing so that you can take in thoughts of gratitude with each breath and then dispel any thoughts which no longer serve you. I want to remind you that in the song, "We Praise Thee, O God," we gave thanks for the Spirit of light that has shown us God's goodness and scattered our night, our dark places where we might feel alone. We also praised him for having his likeness within us as children of the Father. And as our daily word proclaimed, he that is in us is greater than he is in the world or outside of us. We proclaimed happiness, that we can let the sun shine in us, and we gave thanks for love that is divine. We also gave thanks for the life of today and the promise it carries for all of us. And for all of these things, we offer our gratitude. As you continue in that blissful place of serenity and peace, knowing that we have all we need, I want to share a poem that was sent to me. I am not familiar with Mary Huggins, but her poem is beautiful and reminds us of the love we receive from what we often refer to as Father, Mother, God. In these words, she uses the term Mother Spirit. Mother Spirit, I so wish to truly know you. My child, I am as close as your thoughts. I give mind. I am as close as your beating heart. I give life. I am as close as your lungs. I give breath. I am as close as your body. I give being to your every cell. See me in the minds and bodies of those you love, in acquaintances, in strangers passing by, in those you fear, even your enemies. See me especially in those who would destroy you. All these are your brothers and sisters, my children. They are my beloveds, just as you are my adored child. See me in the trees and clouds and grass, even in the vegetables you grow for food. See me in the cows, the pigs, the chickens, the creatures of the sea created to nourish you. See me also in the weeds you dig up, and the bears and lions and wolves whom you fear. See me in your animal friends and pets, dogs and cats and horses, birds, even lizards and snakes, yet the tiniest bugs and myriad insects. They are all a part of me. Each has his role to share. See me in the natural beauty around you, green plants and blue sky, fall colors, spring flowers, that delicious spring green, that impossible blue sky behind the magnificent sunset. I am in the winter drab as well as the snowy white. See me in landscapes beyond your imagination, mountains and valleys, rocks, oceans and rushing rivers, canyons and majestic vistas. See me in harmonious paintings, sculptures, even buildings and landscapes created with human hands. See me in poetry and music, birthed by my gift of mind, used to express both practical and spiritual relationships. Be well. As our Holy Mother, Spirit guides us and watches over all of us, as he who walked among us proclaimed. Amen.